Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm back with another video, and today I am reviewing the Bobbi Boss 13x4 hand-tied Swiss lace front wig. This is a synthetic lace front wig that includes a 13x4 ear-to-ear large lace frontal. What? Yes, it is in the color TT1B/teal and in the style MLF 222 SYLVANNA. I have never seen a synthetic lace front wig that includes a frontal, and check out this color. It's absolutely freaking beautiful. I've never been more excited to try on a wig, like, ever. I got this wig from SHOPHAIRWIGS. It is a beauty supply website that you can order from, and they also have a standalone store that I believe is in Illinois, but I will have all the details in the description box below, so make sure you check that out so you can order you one of these. I am already ordering my second one, no joke. But this is a standard lace front wig in that it comes with two combs in the front behind that lace frontal and one comb in the back to secure the wig down. And as you can see, it's all lace in the front, so you can part it multiple ways. You can do half up, half down. You can do a bun on top. You could do two little cute ponytails or space buns in the front. You could braid it down in the front, do a couple cornrows. You can do whatever you want. It's freaking awesome. So I'm just trying the wig on after clipping that lace off just to see what it looks like. And I see that I definitely want to stick this wig to my head, so I'm taking the Got to Be Glued Freeze Blasting Spray, and I'm spraying that all over my hairline, as you can see. And I'm taking a rat tail comb and just smoothing that back into my hairline so it won't fall all over my face. This stuff is very, very sticky, so you don't want to get it all over your face. You have to wipe it off your face with alcohol, actually, to get it to come off. So you don't want to make more of a mess all over your face, because it'll be more to clean up afterwards. So after I have sprayed that Got to Be freeze blasting spray all over my hairline, right before my hairline, I'm going to put the wig back on, and I'm going to press it down into that hairspray. And this is what makes the wig stick to your head. How easy is this? All you use is hairspray, a really strong hairspray, and you can have your wig sticking to your head. I do this with frontals. I do this with normal lace front synthetic wigs. And if one part of the frontal or the wig is not sticking, all you do is spray some more of the hairspray, stick that lace down onto it, and press it down. Now that the wig is all stuck down to my head, I'm going to tie it down with a scarf for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or if you're going to do your makeup, you could do your makeup while the scarf is on. I really suggest doing this because it will really ensure that the wig is stuck down to your head. After I did my makeup, I went ahead and took that scarf off and parted out the front area that I'm going to use to do my top ponytail. I'm just taking a normal hair tie, and I'm going to go ahead and put the top of my hair into a normal ponytail because I wanted to do a nice little style in the front to showcase how versatile this wig is. Now I'm just going to pull out a few of the hairs in the front. Some of the hairs are a bit shorter, so it does have a few baby hairs, but not really. But I did not want to cut any of the hair at this point, so I just let some long pieces hang out in the front. The wig is definitely stuck down to my head also, so this method really does work, and look how natural that looks already. Now I'm going to take some of this Lotta Body mousse, and I'm just going to smooth that on the hairs that I have out in the front. If I had actual baby hairs, this would really help me mold and shape the baby hairs the way that I want them to lay. But this just makes those hairs in the front really lay nicely that I have hanging out. It's really not necessary. I just liked doing it, and it really just let them lay to the side the way I wanted them to. Not really necessary, but you'll see it makes them more defined and just lay down nicely. And it kind of masks the lace. You can't really see it, but it just helps mask it a little bit more. And now I'm going to take a small piece from the top ponytail that I made, and I'm going to wrap it around the hair tie so you won't be able to see it.
Is the finished look with the wig. I am absolutely in love with this wig. It's so versatile. As you can see, look at, oh my god, look at that. Look at how natural this hairline is. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Like, it looks so freaking natural. I'm so shook right now. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. I love the curls. It's time to slay. This is something that you would pull out, especially being a frontal. Absolutely gorgeous. This wig was extremely easy to put on my head, extremely easy to make look natural. I didn't even cut any baby hairs on it, which you actually could do if you wanted to make it even look more natural and mask the lace even more. But I'm happy with the way that it looks. I think it looks really, really good. So yes, if you're interested in this wig, please be sure to check the description box below. And if you want to enter the giveaway that I'm having right now to win this wig, also check the description box below. It will be running for exactly 1 week, 1 winner, and I will contact that winner a week from the day that I post this video. This wig is amazing. I absolutely love it. If you want to try out a frontal but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is the wig for you. They have so many different colors. You don't have to go crazy like I did if you don't want to do any type of color. But if you're interested in a colorful wig, this one right here, this exact same one, once again, check the description box so you can enter the giveaway. And other than that, I really have nothing else to say. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. And please check out some of my previous uploads. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.